then to officially open this temple so that everybody, anybody who feels you can come to sleep here can come. It's there for many people, not for a particular person. So I'm going to pour the libation now.
When he's finished, I'll explain exactly what this means for us, this temple, and then everyone can introduce themselves also.
So I'm calling our ancestors first.
And you could call out your ancestors if you want.
It was through them that we acquired this land. Chidam Punyankupong and Sanyu.
Yo.
Sasi Yampinam, I would in the Yo. And Uncle Yakasi, Mumramajin in Sambino.
Yo.
What a cabra would in the Yo. Prisibo would in the Yo. A sweet chia would in the Yo. And I Jamra Kentem, one of the Assassi, my would in the Yo. Usuka crew would in the Nanaku Jamra would in the or Hima Jamra would in the Nananuma Mobetna Han, my Yensu Yababetuso, na any day. Adofu free amanone ababe druha na yede adefefe ekire won nyina amonkwa so na nanuma yenso yedi animu na yebebe kire asasi na hana nso yede no bedua ha na enam ne so na dom efri miamia eba na wo mo ba betna ha dan ya yesi he ye mo amunti ne yesi ye yesere mu se mmegina akire akina pa ema obia obeba ha bia no Nitrampa no na bibia anha no na ma bibia tumi aye kama wo ha se de be ya don be ba ha ene ye hwe afri mu nchen da bia ye tonsa ye de srese dodo emra asase so na o matimi de niema titru aba ha abebo ama nkire ma no so o manya asetena pa ye sremo nipa bonefo a won pese anka asomye be ba asase so na ba mi betna ha na domo e ba ha na bibe ba na yade bibe ka no ana se yafunjade na tipaye na yade kwankro bibe ba de yesere mo munhini nyina mfiri ho maye nipa bonefo a won pese anka asomdwe be ba na yie be ba amaboyam so aye kra behwe na anka domo e be ba ha na omo abebisisi adan wo ha na omo abetena ha na afi bibia atumpo no yesere mo ni nyina mo nka wo mo atiko mfiri amanane ho mo wo mra aha ye wo munchi enti wo mo ba omumra meye bibia se de ma mu omo se omo ya hoho no omo ba ha omo betena ha se omo krom ne ha de yenso ya ye wan wa tu abonefo a omo mpe ye de ene emu no nsan ngu omo aseyo thank you. Now over to you.
Explain a little bit of what you're saying. Just briefly.
I told our ancestors it was through them that we acquired this land. They came to settle here through war, and now we have come to acquire. We are always with them, and they are also with us. So I was telling them, they prayed first that there should be many visitors who should come to Boyem to settle here, so that we can get many attraction places here. So that's what I told them. Everybody who comes here mustn't fall sick, so that you can settle here peacefully, and then everything will be okay. We are welcoming you to stay at Boyem. Boyem is in the belly of the rock. You see, our community is surrounded by rocks. At first, we were having only one entrance to come to Boyem, but now we've been able to penetrate through the rocks to settle here. So you can go outside the rock and then come here. So thank you.
Wait, so if